Is Pump.Fun Pump Coin the hottest new meme coin in the market right now? Now, I'm just going to speak from the past couple of days perspective that it hasn't been, even though it has pumped from about zero point 0.1 cents all the way to zero point 0.7 cents right now, and it is on a retracement, right? Um, Now, this is not uncommon for a lot of altcoins in the market, especially meme coins, because I've held some of these coins before, and you could definitely expect this type of volatility, right? They could go down by 30, 50%, right? It's not uncommon, but my own strategy in holding some of these coins would be if I see that the bull cycle, if we're still early in the bull cycle, then I think I could afford to hold through some of these losses before taking a profit. Okay. So the timing of it does have to depend a lot on where we are in a bull cycle. And in my opinion, we are still very early in the bull cycle because Bitcoin has actually just broken through its all-time highs at 110K, and Bitcoin is still the driver of this crypto markets, even though it does lose its dominance over time as the bull cycle goes continues. So a lot of it is going to depend on Bitcoin, of course, but that is just my opinion, right? You got to do your own research. It's not financial advice. And let's take a look into Pump.Fun real quick into the charts. And what has changed since the last time I've talked about it a couple days ago. Okay. A couple days ago, I pointed out a falling wedge pattern that was on the hourly time frame. Okay. Now, falling wedge patterns usually break to the upside, and I think that falling wedge pattern broke to the upside before getting a very quick rejection at a resistance. Okay, and that is something to be taken into consideration of because there's a breakout and there's a price target does not mean that you're gonna 100% get to that price target. Got to consider the downsides of a breakout as well, which would include going short of the price target before another dump happening. Okay, just gotta take that and plan your actions accordingly. Okay, that's what I do. Now, what could be happening in Pump.Fun right now is that I see another falling wedge pattern that has formed. Okay, falling wedges, like I said, it's probably the most common pattern you guys will see if you start charting these patterns. It tells you that after an extensive downtrend on that time frame, that the price action is likely to break to the upside. Okay, now in this case, falling wedge right here, if it actually breaks the upside here by this point, just for example, it doesn't have to, then you're going to get a price target of about 0.55 cents price target. Okay, like I said, price targets are estimates only. There could be more or less. All right, so this is basically what I'm seeing for Pump.Fun right now. It's an updated, bigger falling wedge pattern. Quite a bit of resistance along the way on the shorter time frame, which will include the hourly 21 SMA, which is your blue line here, hourly 50 SMA, your white line here, and your hourly 200 SMA at about that 0.44 cents price level. Okay, so that's basically what I'm seeing for price for Pump.Fun right now. I am long on quite a bit of altcoins, including Bitcoin. So my outlook on this market is still bullish until I change my opinion, and I'll tell you guys when. If you guys want to continue seeing more of Pump.Fun, make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and if enough of you guys want to see it, I'll bring you guys an update. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one.